Hey guys, that's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing a new antenna, a shorty antenna for the F150 to get rid of that 2-foot tall factory antenna. And so this is a antenna that I got off Amazon. I could have went with the bullet antenna, but I said I went with a shorty. If I can get it to focus. It's got some carbon fiber on the bottom. It looks pretty neat, pretty nice. Nothing crazy, nothing abstract. It's made in China. And so we're gonna go ahead and install this. We're gonna take off the 1995 factory antenna and we're gonna put something more modern on it like this. So let's go ahead and walk through it. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna twist it off. You could probably, if it's too hard, you can get like a wrench. I can do it with my hands, which is actually kind of concerning that I can do this with my hands. So guys, this is gonna be like a super easy install. If you saw the last video, we did the mirror caps. Now we're doing this stupid antenna. Ugh. There we go. Now we have the antenna. And we're gonna put that on. You know, the last one, I had the bullet antenna before on the last truck, and I wonder, there we go. Not sure how tight I'm supposed to put it. I don't want to, there we go. Look at that. Now we're talking. Doesn't that look just so much better? No freaking, look at this thing, bro. Bro, what is this? What are we doing? What are we doing for? This looks stupid. Here we go. Now we're cooking. Now we are cooking. Guys, we are coming together on this build, man. What do we have next for the truck? Well, we're getting our FX4 stickers because the person took them off. So we're adding them back. I'm getting a 2.5-inch level, which is gonna be very nice. And then I'm also gonna get I'm gonna get, let's see, LED lights for the cargo lights, the fog lights, the headlights, the brake lights, and the reverse lights, and the tag lights. See how they're all halogen? Come on, man, this is like a, what is this truck brand new? 40 something? I think the new ones are like 50. For the XLT, yeah, they're like 55,000 for the XLT. So I think the new ones do come with LEDs, but this is a 2020. So we're gonna get yeah, so we're gonna get that going. Oh man, guys, this truck's already looking dope, bro. Yo, the the side mirror caps, man, really just did the job. Look at this. Look at that, bro. That looks amazing. And everything's already color coded and everything. So we're doing the sticker, the FX4 sticker there, doing a 2.5-inch level. I think it's already, there's something weird. I think it's like 1.5 inch or a 2-inch level. We're gonna get some 35-inch tires, full LEDs, level it out. Exhaust is gonna come out right out. I'm gonna take out the rustiness, the tips back there that are super rusty. Yeah, and I'm gonna get rid of the dual tips, and it's gonna come out on the side here. And we already did the bed liner. We're gonna probably do a little bit of interior stuff, guys. This is gonna be a clean build, man. OEM plus. This is the build we're going for. OEM plus. I don't want no nonsense. I don't want cheap stuff. You know, I'm just gonna go norm. I don't want it to look tacky. That's the big thing. Tackiness. A lot of people mod out their cars and their trucks and it just looks tacky. I'm a clean, simple guy. I think this looks fly. So I'm gonna take this to the wash. And yeah, it's gonna keep coming together. So the next video, we'll put the stickers on, and we'll put the LEDs on and everything. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's already, windows are already tinted. I might get the windshield tinted 50%, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.